look down below. Look down below. You see that?
That little spot.
Yeah, that one spot right there.
Yep, look at it, it's getting lower. Yeah, look.
Look on the other side of the sign now.
Yeah, look, it's about to, it's getting to lower now.
Yeah.
Yeah, on that number.
It looks like it went down. Looks like right here it's going down. Look, it's going down.
Yep.
Yeah, that thing looks like. I don't know, you can't tell. It is definitely pulling up. Look at that.